Want to know how to change your password in Remitly? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Remitly website. Just simply head towards remitly.com and make sure you are logged in as well. So once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here where you can just simply say send money. And on the top right side, you should be saying welcome. So you can just simply select this drop-down box right here of welcome. And once it is, just simply head towards settings. So once you have selected settings, here you should be seeing your profile information. Make sure you honor it and scroll down not to lose your password. Just simply select edit right here. And now once you have selected edit under your password, here you can just simply type in your current password, a new password, and then confirm it. And that's it. Once you're done, just simply select save and it's be good to go. Make sure you have not logged in with Google or Apple directly. If you have, you cannot change the password. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.